Hey everyone, welcome to Wire Dairy. Today we're going to have a little chat with some of my not so nice friends behind me. I've warned them multiple times. It is not okay to grow it towards my field. They have found it hilarious for some reason. So now I've called in my good friend, and he's going to have a nice little conversation with them about where you can grow, since you couldn't follow my rule. So why don't you guys meet my friend? He's right here. They're not gonna like him, but well, they were warned. And that's why I'm not a lumberjack. I wanted it to go the other way. What do? We will fix the problem somehow. Well, so now get the tractor and see if we can pull it back out onto the field. All right, you guys gonna put you in wire vision now, so you guys can see what I see. Maybe learn about all the things you shouldn't do in a day. Make a mess. Be nice of you. I won't have to play in the snow. Ooh, that hurt. That really didn't feel good. Ugh. Not good at all. Little tickler. Oh boy. Ouch. It still doesn't feel good, by the way. It might not for a while. If you were wondering, the stick poked me in a place that doesn't feel good. I'll leave it at that. And then it snapped off while it was poking me there. I guess I didn't leave it at that, but now I will. I think I can. That's what you're supposed to say, right? I guess we can't. The trailer is always going the wrong way. Diff lock. Jackknifed. Alright, we gotta quit. We're gonna take out our jack. We may have already. I just got a little snow on it. I think it's out. I think I'm happy. We'll cut up a little more. Cut some other stuff up a little more. Today, I have commandeered the dozer. He said I could drive it. I'm not quite sure why. This is the first time I've ever driven a dozer though. It is pretty fun. So today we are cleaning a ditch out. I'm pushing the dirt back onto the field. This ditch here has, oh, it's been at least probably 30 years since it's been dug out, and it is time. We're having some issues with a bunch of water backing up, so that is why we're digging it back out to its original depth. So, we're still in the dozer. I don't think I'm causing trouble, but who knows? Oh, by the way guys, we're in wire vision! If you guys couldn't tell. We are about, I think about halfway done digging this ditch out. I still haven't got kicked out of the dozer, so apparently I must not be doing too horrible of a job. I am starting to realize that a dozer is not as much fun as it started out to be. It rattles a lot. It's bouncy. It's very, very bouncy. Oh well. So remember earlier when I said I don't know why they let me drive a dozer? Well, here, let me show you why they shouldn't have let me drive a dozer. I got it a little bit muddy. A little bit. Or a lot of it. Either way, this kind of stuff always happens to me. Mud everywhere. Oh, they even got it on the windows. It's dripping off. Well, Jordan, thanks for letting me use your dozer. It was fun. So if any of you are ever interested in needing some ditch work done or any other kind of work, here's the number for laying trenching. I don't really know where you start with a mess like this, but I really think they should fire their dozer driver. Didn't do a very good job either. And you got the dozer all dirty. They probably won't ever let me drive it again though, so it don't matter. At least we're in wire vision. Now they'll never know I got dirty. I doubt it. Well, I think that's gonna wrap up our video. Thanks everybody for watching. And just before we go, I'll let you guys see. I get my truck just as dirty almost as I do dozers. Well, everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to drink a glass of milk and eat some cheese, please.